About £13 worth of Rubik's scratch cards. I seen these in the shop the other day and thought, wow, I might as well buy them. Rubik's reminds me of the 80s. But actually looking at it, it's a 1 in 4.56 chance of winning. Actually looking at it, it was invented by a Hungarian in 1970, Erno Rubik. Don't know if any of you know that. What I've got to do is find a clock to win a prize. Let's see if I can do it. Well, there's a cube, not a clock. Another cube, and no clock there. Scratch card number 2. And then some people took it over. Is that a clock? No, cash. Some people took it over in 1980 and started selling it worldwide. And that's when it was called the Rubik's Cube. Originally, when the Hungarian inventor invented it, he called it the Magic Cube. Another interesting fact for you to do with the Rubik Cube. The fastest time a Rubik Cube has been done. Does anybody know that? No wins yet, a few down. It was actually done in 4.90 seconds. And that's pretty quick for a Rubik's Cube. It was done in 2015 by an American, Lucas Etta. You're not bringing me much luck today, but you never know. They're all in the same reel, and a 1 in 4 point whatever chance means I must have a good chance of getting one win. Four to go. Top prize, £8,000. Not a sniff of that yet. 2 to go. Where are you, clock? Last one. Let's see. No good. Rubik's Cube, probably a waste of money. I was never good at it. I don't know why I bought them, but hey. Let's have a look at this one. This one's hot money. This is a £3 scratch card. So that's £15 in total I've bought. This is a 1 in 3.74 chance. Let's scratch to see if I've got any of the numbers. Let's hope from my £15 I'll get some sort of return. Haven't done it for a while. 12 and 54. Is there a 12 and 54? There's a 12, but no 54. 9, 18, 49, 46. Not there. 23. Yeah. 4. No, so not even worth looking at that one. The next one. 30. No. Next one, number 2. Yeah, we've got number 2. 42. No. Not bother with that one. Have we got 44? No 44. Not even worth looking at. 53. This one's for a tenner. Have we got 53? No 53. 17, have we got a number 17? We've got a 17, but have we got a number 5? As you can see, I've scratched them and no luck. I thought I would save you the bother of putting through the video. Let's have a look at the bonus game. I've saved that one. It's my very last chance to get any return on £15 worth of scratch cards. Let's have a look. Cash, but not the cash I wanted. So, £15 worth of scratch cards. No good. Rubik's. Waste of time. Let me know if any of you have won on Rubik's. I hope you enjoyed the facts about the Rubik Cube. See you later.